Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create PhonePe Business Account. So let's get into the video. So download the PhonePe Business Account app, and then once you've logged into the app, open up the app, you go to enter your mobile number. So enter your mobile number, and then you will receive a OTP. So once let me log in my mobile number. So once you have done that, then it will send you a OTP to for verification. So I'm just waiting for that. So once I get that, so while waiting, so that's it, I got it. So now it will verify it. So once that's done, we're going to go to the next stage here. So next process is you'll see the screen here. So you're going to choose this option, whether it's about your business, whether it's a shop or service or online business. I'll just choose shop. So just choose whatever that suits you, just choose one. So I'll just choose shop, and then you continue, and then now describe your store. So you just select whatever that's applicable to you. So just select that, and then hit on next, and then again you're going to this is about your business. So I'll just choose retail and proceed, and then here just type in your business name. I will just type I don't really have a business, so I'm just typing a random name. So just type in whatever your business name is, just type that in, and then once you're done with that, then you go to what you have to do is you're going to hit on continue. Select the no option. You don't have a QR code before, and also you need to upload the photos of your store, of your business. So I think it's mandatory. Yes, it's mandatory to upload the photos. So let me just upload some dummy photos. So just upload your photos, the photos of your store. So whatever your store is, so just upload it. I'll just get a dummy photo for now. Okay, I'll just use this. Okay, and then probably I need to upload another one. Okay, that's the interior. Okay, let me add another photo. So just do the same for you. So just your photos of your business. So once that's done, so I'm going to click on OK, and then now hit on continue, and then now add in a location, your business location. So you just choose a location, or your business location, and then once you're done with that, then you go to or you can just enter your address and then once that's done, what you're going to do, hit on save and continue, and then it's going to verify your business. So that's it, your account has been now created. So your account you're almost at the last step here. So you have almost created your business account. So now here the next step will be most probably will be the bank account details. So you go to type in the details of the bank account associated with your business that you'll be using on this for PhonePe. So just select the bank, whatever you have business with. So select the bank, and then once that's done, so you can just click on all these permissions here. That's fine. And then once you have selected the bank, and now all you have to do is just simply plug in the details of your bank account. Okay, so just add your bank account details, just plug that in, and once you're done with that, and all you have to do is it's going to verify your KYC with your bank details. And once that's done, that's it, your account will be created, and that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.